Yes, hello students. In this tutorial we are going to talk about the numbered list, or you can say ordered list. So to create the ordered list you need to use the OL tag, and along with OL tag you can use li tag. You can use li tag and you need to close the OL tag. This is the syntax. Now let me make you more clear with the help of example. Example is to create a ordered list. Create a list of fruits. We need to create a list of fruits with the help of ordered list. So how we can do? So first I will take HTML. After that I will take head. After that I will take title, and in title I will take ordered list, and I will close the title. I will close the head, and now I will open the body. To create the numbered list I will use the OL tag, OL, and now I will use, first of all I will use li tag, and I will write apple. Again I will take li and I will write banana, and I will close the OL. I will close the body and I will close the HTML. So this will produce an output, and our output will be like this. It will, and in this web page we have created the ordered list because we have used the OL tag. So the first one is apple and the second one is banana, because we have taken only two li tags, and by default ordered list is denoted by 1 or 2, means in number system. If you want to change the number, if you want to change the order, and you want the list in alphabetical order, means you want to create this type of output A B in AB manner, then you need to do only one thing. In OL tag you need to use the type attribute. OL type equals to A, because you are going to create, because you want to create a list of alphabetical order, so you need to use the type attribute. So L type equals to A. If you want to create the list in which you want Roman numbers, means you want your output like this, then you need to make changes in type attribute. Well, type equals to 1. Are you getting? Now there is one more question. Sir, I want to create a list with 10, means you want to create a list 10 and 11, 10 11. You want to start your list with 10, then how can you do so? Simple. Well, type equals to, because 10 is a number, so you will have to write you will type equals to number, and along with that you need to use one more attribute of OL tag, that is a start. So I will take a start equals to 10. I want to create a list starting with 10, so that is why I am using one more attribute of OL tag, that is start. Well, type equals to number, because our list contains number, so OL type equals to number, a start equals to 10. If our output would be like this, C and D, then I will take OL type equals to alphabet. OL type equals to alphabet, and I will mention type equals to, sorry, start equals to, not type, because I have already written a start equals to C. I hope you will understand this video. Thank you.